Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing us how to make use of the smart money concept to be able to take a buy trade or a sell trade depending on the direction and in the way the market wants to go. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is whenever we want to trade using the smart money concept, we want to know what the big boys are doing in the market. Okay, because the smart money concepts are really a great way to know what the market makers are doing in the market. Okay, so if you know what the big guys are doing in the market, then you should be able to make use of this smart money concept that I'm about to show us today. Okay, so the first thing we want to do before we analyze on how to use this smart money concept is to make use of our multiple time frame. Okay, so we'll be moving from the daily time frame down to the 4 hour time frame and then the 1 hour time frame, and then if there will be any need we'll be going to maybe the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so if we are able to do our multiple time frame analysis on this time frame, then we should be able to take like a sniper entry using the smart money concept. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is to delete everything here on our chart so that we'll be able to understand what the big guys are doing in the market. So what we want to do now is to be able to spot the level at which market was making its move. Okay, so the first thing we want to do here is to note this particular level. Okay, and the reason for that is because this was the level that market broke out from to the upside. Okay, so we want to mark out this level first of all with our red zone. Okay, so by so doing we are going to be marking from the close of this buy candle, okay, to the close of this sell candle, or rather the opening here. Okay, so we are just going to highlight that particular level here. Okay, because we can see that market actually turned from this level and broke out again. Okay, so it means that the market makers are really interested in this particular area. Okay, so after we have been able to spot the area where market rejected from initially, okay, which is the beginning of this sell candle here, we now notice that market came back. Okay, and then market came back to retest and sold a little. Okay, but this was not a sustained sell, so market came later and broke out from this particular resistance level. Okay, and then if we look back in time past, we will notice that market has been buying. Okay, so the fact that market has been buying, this suggests to us that market is still in an uptrend. Okay, so market is still in an uptrend, and so we want to position ourselves for more buy opportunities. So that's the first thing we notice, that market has been in an uptrend. So after concluding the market has been in an uptrend, what we want to do now is to spot the area where market turned from. Okay, and then market came back to break out of this level. So this particular level gives us an idea that market is really interested in this particular area here, and that is why we notice that market came back here to test this particular region. Okay, after that we've been able to identify that what we want to do now is to be able to spot our level of liquidity. Okay, and if we look closely at this particular market, we'll be able to know that our liquidity level was at this point, and the reason being that our stop loss for the buyers here was at this particular level. So our stop loss was taken out by the sellers. Okay, so this has eventually become our liquidity level in the market. Okay, so liquidity are really a clear place for us to be able to know where market is taking out stop loss in the market. Okay, so if you are able to identify the liquidity level in the market, then definitely that will be a great place for us to know what market is really doing. Okay, so after market took out the liquidity, we saw that market broke out from this particular level here, and then after we've been able to spot that, what we want to do now is to go to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, what we will notice is that market actually broke out from this resistance level and tapped into our order block at this particular level. Okay, now remember, we are not going to enter this trade at this particular level because we are not yet sure about what market is doing, whether market wanted to come and test this particular order block here and start selling downward. So we just have to observe what market is doing at this particular moment. Remember, price came back to this particular order block and then tested it, but market sold a little and then broke out of it again. Okay, so it was at this particular level we knew that definitely market is continuing for a buy. So we just have to mark out our breakout here at this particular level. Okay, so this breakout gives us an idea that market is no longer selling. Okay, remember, after market took at this level, we are now confident of the fact that we are now in a buy. So what we want to do now is to locate our order block. Okay, and our order block will be the last sell candle here before this buy and breakout here. Okay, so this will be like our order block. So we are just going to highlight that level here to spot our order block here. Okay, and see if price will come back to that level. Okay, so we notice that price came back to this order block here because that was like the last sell candle before the buy. Okay, and so when we saw that, we noticed that price was going to come back to test this particular order block, and that was why we were able to highlight it here. Okay, and then our target for this particular trade will be at this particular high here, so that that is where we'll be taking our profits. Okay, and then our stop loss definitely is going to be at this low. Okay, but we are still going to be taking partial profits because definitely we do not know what price will do next, but hopefully we expect price to come back to take out this particular high because market has broken structure already to the upside. So this confirms to us that market is going upward. Okay, so any moment from now our price will get to our take profit level. And then if we come to the 1 hour time frame, we can see that market has eventually created like a double bottom here. Okay, so this double bottom signals a reversal in the market. Okay, and that is why we noticed that market took a reversal. So it was at this point we noticed that market was reversing, and then we had to take our entry somewhere around here, and then you notice that there was like a breakout at this particular level, guys. So this is how the smart money guys trade using the smart money concept. Okay, so what you want to do is to go over this video again, and then if you have any question, please you can leave it in the comment description of this video, because this will go a long way to help you to understand how the smart money guys trade the market, guys. So you can see that this is a good way to trade the market. Remember, you want the guys to take out the liquidity level. So whenever you want to enter the market, make sure that liquidity has been taken out, and after liquidity has been taken out, we want to wait for the break of structure to the upside, and then we want price to return back to our order block before we take an entry. So thanks guys for watching this video. Make sure you practice this and do send me your results. Okay, and then I'll see you in my next trading video.